I know I'm back after a very long time, but this video we will be talking on something that is not just a book review, but more than that, important for each one of us to understand as humans and to take care of this beautiful body as well. So, this is something that we are going to discuss in this video. Stay connected, there's a lot more to be learned and grasped ahead. Well, I have a very different book today with me, and the book is Payal Kothari's The Gut. It is the story of an incredible second brain. Yes, we know about only one brain, right? We have never thought about it. We even don't want to think about it that we do have a second brain as well. That is your gut, your stomach. I know that many of the laymen out there, they don't even know that where is the stomach located. We generally have a tendency to ignore something called as the stomach, basically our gut, because we have always considered our gut as a dustbin is all what I'll say, because I've seen people doing that, included whatever other ones doing on social media. We are just filling it by whatever. We are happy, we'll eat. We are celebrating, we'll eat. We are upset, we'll eat. We are depressed, we'll eat. We are stressed, we'll eat. We are out, we'll eat. Right? We'll just eat. And we eat anything and everything. Everything that tastes good. We have nothing to do with the component it carries, with the spices it carries, and is your gut ready to take those stuffs? We personally perceive it is ready. It will digest whatever it wants. I, as a bio person, also knew it that we have a proper digestive system that is being explained in this book. A whole system is being explained. So, my dear viewers out there, other than reproductive system only, if you're a layman, and if biology we only are interested in the reproductive topics, I would like you to be a little more interested into the topic of gut. Yes, because if we say that I have a gut feeling, and you want your gut feeling to be a little more stronger, let your stomach be stronger. Keep that gut stronger. Why are you weakening your gut? By eating whatever you want. Yes. So if you don't believe me, I have my own experience with it. Right? I was very confident, rather overconfident with my physique. That I can control it like this and that. I have control over my weight. I have control over my metabolism. But last one whole year, because I was in stress, that stress became chronic. Chronic means it went on very long years now. And last year was so very traumatic for me. I have everything around me was changed, and I believe I'll be able to cope up with it. But later stages my body started showing symptoms, and the very common symptoms, I started getting back aches, pain, shoulder pains, migraine. Forget headache, I had migraines. I thought it's going fine. Might be certain issues with my digestive system. I do little changes in my diet for 1 or 2 days, and then again come back and the same nonsense stuff that eat anything and everything whatever you want to. What happened at the end? Last few months have been very traumatic for me. Not for any other traumas. The world has failed to give me traumas now. It's my own physique trying to triggering me out. Now I'm at a stage where I'm very hungry, but I can't eat. When I ordered this book, because something was wrong, rashes all over the body, pimples all over the body, I was like something is majorly wrong this time. Inflammation in the esophagus. And when I got the reports, it was like they are left with no options, like they need to undergo so and so and so. Uh, I was like, I'll do something, right? So a bio person is always optimistic. Like we know it that we have a way out of it, right? I'm not liable for anything in my life. Yes, I'm like so. But I know people out there, you are liable for things. You are responsible a personality out there. You all must be having people dependent on you. I request you, do not underestimate your physique, don't underestimate your body, never ever, specifically your digestive system. That is the first system that will show you the sign. If anything anywhere is wrong, this system will show you. This system will tell you that get up and do something, something is majorly wrong. I was being signaled a lot of times. I ignored it. Last few months, the signals became a little more higher, symptoms I'm talking about, and Even at the last moment, I'm somebody who has a habit of refraining from confronting a physician. Yeah, I have this problem. So when I was left with no option, 2 a.m., I remember, I was like, what to do, what to do? I was like, now I need somebody. After 2 3 days, when I was back, I got this delivered. And after reading it, I was like, it's too late for me to read it now. I was left with regrets. But yes, optimism is important in life, positivity is important in life. So I still read it, I still tried to understand the concept. And I understood one thing, that it is my gut feeling. It is again that same gut, again the same instinct that is telling me that nothing is impossible. Correct? So that is what I want you people to tell. Next time you take your plate of food, please count the components, not the calories. Please count the components. And is your physique able to digest it? And if your system is trying to show you any small signal, please react to it. Don't ignore it. React to the options. Why is it happening? Why is it happening with me continuously? If constantly you are not able to lose weight, if constantly you are under stress, and if you are in stress and that is chronic, that is the biggest problem. Do something for it. Do something for it. Distract yourself by whatever possible means you can. This is the sole reason I'm sitting over here after months. I never thought I'd be back on camera. I had lost all the confidence. Even today, I don't know how much this is, which numbers recording this is, but still, at least this has taken my 2 3 hours. Otherwise, I would have simply sat and wondered about the same problem, how to come out of it, how to come out of it. So when the problem comes to your physique, know it from me, you will forget all the other problems of your life. So for me, it's a good sign as well that I have forgotten every other issues, because now I am combating something which I have to combat anyhow. So why to wait for that day to happen? Yes, can we all just get up and can we all just wake up? I'd say, and take care of our health. That is important. Yes. So that's all I want to tell through this video to all of you. Uh, this book of the gut by Kothari talks about the digestive system, talks about the gut instincts, talks about the subconscious and the conscious mind, talks about the brain and how to activate that brain. Lastly, I'll just like to give my personal suggestion. Even after reading this book and going through multiple people out there on the social media which is working and telling you people out there as coaches what to eat and what not to eat. Drink this will happen. Eat this will happen. uh, they are planning your diet without meeting you guys, and you are the ones who are following it. I'd like to suggest you just one thing, that what might work for me might not work for you. If a lime water is working for me, it might not work for you. If an apple is working for me, it might not work for you. If a specific drink, this water, that water, infused water is working for me, it might not work for you. So do not follow anything blindly, because it is being said that if you eat this food, you'll get this component, or you will basically, we are doing it to lose weight, and this is having high proteins, having high carbs. Somebody's telling oats is good, somebody's telling oats is not good. It has nothing to offer you. Who to follow, who to listen. So I'd only recommend you, please meet a physician, meet a person, in person meet them. Everybody is correct on their own parts. Everybody is correct in their own knowledge. I'll just tell you, meet the person in person, because your body is different. Your microbiome is different. Your glands are different. Their secretions are different. Your hormone is different. What you are dealing with in your daily life is different, right? Your stress part is different. My stress part is different, right? My cortisol is a little higher. Your cortisol is a little lower. So what might work for you might not work for me. This is the only thing which I want you people to understand today in this video. Do not follow anybody blindly. Meet people in person, right? Book an appointment. Talk to them. Tell about yourself. Tell about your lifestyle. Tell about your problems you are going through, and accordingly, your diet plan has to be made. That's all I have to tell you guys. That was the warning sign which I wanted everybody to tell. Till then, please take care of yourself, stay healthy, eat good, and don't underestimate everybody else, not yourself, not especially not your body, right? So take care.